UCM urges state government to persuade the centre to clarify the news of NACN-IM opening more camps and recruiting cadres in Manipur. Women vendors ask Chief Minister to name market at Chingmairong to reflect the coexistence of various communities in Manipur. And are roads and infos ready to take the load of over 2 lakh vehicles? Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. I'm Butcher Malangbam with the top stories. President of United Committee Manipur, UCM Ilangbam Johnson, asked the centre whether it has given permission to NACN-IM to recruit more cadres in hill districts. Seeking attention of the state government to the issue, Ilangbam Johnson said the state government must persuade the centre to clarify on the issue. Mention may be made that national newspaper The Hindu on October 6 had reported that NACN-IM has opened new camps and around 400 cadres were recruited in Manipur after signing the peace accord with the Government of India. Johnson made this statement during the annual Langban Haitha Leitha observance at the Great June Uprising Memorial Complex, Kekrupat. He said it is a wrong move on the part of the NACN-IM to recruit more cadres and open camps in hill districts of Manipur. Johnson said in case the news report is true, the centre must immediately scrap the peace talk and take action against the armed outfit. The UCM president also expressed his apprehension that if the centre fails to take action, it will result in a big revolt from the people of Manipur. Ilangbam Johnson appealed to the leaders of various organizations not to make statements that may hurt the sentiments of various communities, which can result in division of the state.
NACN-IM gi adugumba recruitment policy ama koi Manipur manungda su zatharakpa haibase achumbo oiramagadi mas afaba khongthang oiroina khalle adu tawriba thabag ase koi sarkar gi ayaba natraga bharat sarkar gi ayaba yaroga chatharaiba chatharaktaba haibase koi Chingataba ngamde aduga haiba wafam asidasu akoi Manipur sarkar na ngasi fawba makoi gi oiba statement ama pide yaragadi masi thabak-sing asiki matangda Manipur sarkar na thuboda center da akoi pressure tagum thoi aseng mudu khangum thoi aduga masigi wafam sina chumagadi akoi khudakta akoi bharat sarkar na NACN-IM gi mathakta athingba thamduna hairiba khongthang sing asi thingnaba hotna biyu haidana akoi maikaidagi thamjari aduga karigumba akoi center na su sugumba akoi gi policy program sing asi sum chatharaga leiragadi akoi athuba matamda akoi masigi mayokta akoi miyam asina hawrakpa matamda akoi achouga phibam ama aru phibam ama soina thengnagani haiba wafam simu thamjari.
Ilangbam Johnson maintained that the annual ritual of Langban Haitha Leitha in memory of the late 18 martyrs of June 18 will evoke love for motherland among the masses. The observance held at the Great June Uprising, the complex Kekrupat, was attended by leaders of various organizations. Replying to a query by Impact News on littered Kekrupat and surrounding areas, Ilangbam Johnson said entry is restricted by state government apart from commemoration of June 18 and annual Langban Haitha Leitha offering. He said the Great June Uprising, the complex comes under Kangla Fort Board. He said the board is unable to maintain cleanliness in the area. Ilangbam Johnson appealed to the state government to make a policy for upgradation of the historical place.
Asigi thawram asina koi Manipur miyamgi pukning da langtakna leiba matam asida koi da dugumba leibak ningbagi leibak nungsibagi wakalon du soidana phon gane na koi khalli People's Movement for Common Future of Manipur haiba koi miyamgi movement ama koi launch ta ba haujagre haiba si makata na koi kanglup masel yam fundamina ba adungba jaga sengda koi nungmani si manungda koi sodamaki koi pangthok chergani masi koi uri phim masi yengbiu ke ko padasi mapu pandaba aduga Kangla Fort Board haidana ama management committee ama leibudugi makhada leiba haiba asisu tasengna thabak kaimta tawde haiba sine koina thamjaningi se puari ga sagona raga lehogodoreba mafam ama oirabanina masi masu athuba matamda miyeng changbiu natraga di koi mapan lamgi mi lakpa matamda aduki mati koi leiba ga se ikai ningai oiba safam du oiri haiba simaga pungning singsenjari.
Nathan has greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Mera Chauren Hauba. The governor wished that the festival will strengthen the bond of unity and integrity among different communities and usher in peace and prosperity in the state. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi has greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Mera Chauren Hoba, which falls on Wednesday. In his message, Okram Ibobi said Mera Chauren Hoba, heralding the advent of Mera, will preserve and promote the unity and integrity among all sections of the people. Manipur People's Party also greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Mera Chauren Hoba. The party wished for prosperity and integrity of the people. Manipur State Commission for Women today organized a state-level legal awareness program for women at Social Workers Multipurpose Hall, Hairangwaithong. PHED Minister I. Hemochandra, who attended the program, said even though the status of men and women are at par today, it is now time to see if women are getting proper protections under the provisions of the law. Hemochandra also maintained that the legal awareness program was held to educate the women on their rights. Chairperson, Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, S. Sarat Sharma, General Secretary, All Manipur Bar Association, B. Supriya Devi, Senior Advocate Khaidem Mani, among spoke as resource persons.
Nupi singi role si am chaw na leibani na makhoi da kari kuma makhoi ki right makhoi da koi na law na piba na ta ain na piba right ki na ta yum da makhoi bu phajana lu na tawbi ni bra na ta ga laibak thiau na mapur hoi ba lei ki da ba na ta ga na domestic problem kha lei ba da gi ma chendan lambi lei jada na mapam da halak ba bu hoi ga su adi admai na to ba nupi mayam gi kano si kadam mong da madu legal protection lay society da samaj da akoi mayam punjal laga mateng kamai na pang na ya ba ge hai ba na ching na mayam.
Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur has notified heads of institutions under the council to apply for cancellation or withdrawal of enrollment of students who have enrolled in class 11 and 12 from more institutions other than their respective institution on or before October 2. Secretary of A. Skula Women's College Teachers Welfare Association Nambol, Dr. M. Ratan Kumar Singh, expressed his reservations about the opening of Department of Bachelor of Education in the college. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Ratan Kumar said Higher and Technical Education Department released an order in July 2013 to open a Department of Bachelor of Education in the college. He said there are many B.Ed colleges but not as a department. He said in case the said department is opened, it will be unfair to lecturers of A. Skula Women's College. Representatives of A. Skula Women's College Teachers Welfare Association today submitted memorandum to Director, University Higher and Technical Education, demanding the authorities to dissolve the governing body which is forcibly trying to open B.Ed. The association also demanded to probe the misuse of college funds by the governing body.
Houji college da lairibasi koi largest number de khwaidagi yama department ni aduga mamangda koi honorable CM ga honorable sir EM gana tatana habigiba edet college da kariguma miyeng khara sanga kadore haidana tatana haigibada college singsida oza hapsan ganu department hena hanganu haibadugi wakhalonda akoina ngasi bhogda hariba post singse akoi thengnajarakpani SK da leiba oza singsi yamna wana koi lupa lising ani khak chajaraga yamna wana ngasi bogda akoi si survive taruga lakpani aduna mase government asu masigi wafam sing asi munna tabiraga mase akoi seista tobiganu maramdi oja sing sigi right matpa ma oire habaduni ngasi akoina thamjari se.
Entrance examinations for admission to Class 6 and Class 9 in Sainik School, Imphal for the academic session 2016-17 will be held on January 3rd, 2016. The prospectus can be obtained from the school on all working days from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Last date of submission of application forms is November 30. Welcoming the move to construct a market at the plot of Apex Cooperative Society opposite ISBT, Chumerong Ima Panthoibi Street Vendors Union, however, reiterated their opposition to the proposal to construct tribal market and tribal boys hostel on the plot. They held a meeting today against the move at Chumerong Mamang Lekai. Advisor of the union, Yumnam Indrani, said memorandum have been submitted time and again to the Chief Minister asking him to name the market which will reflect the coexistence of various communities in the state. But they have fallen to deaf ear. Indrani further maintained that vendors of the area are ready to stop their treads if the market is to be named as tribal market and took strong exception to the construction of a tribal boys hostel. The union warned of intense hesitation if the government goes ahead with its plan. Mention may be made that around 375 vendors of Dinku Road have been demanding the same for the last 4 years.
Mapamsida Jati Shuna Hectavada, Mayday Katin Habisu Tombayaro, Taibengi Katin Habisu Tombayaro, Amata Oiva, Imakatin Gogera, English Lom, the Haraga, Women Market, Tongera, Hanakoin, Hanzan Haiba, Maseda, Shadra Tambai Bese, Yamna Nuairo, Kaitinga, Shadraga, Punbasi Nuairo, Adumatashida, Amuk, Driving Kataki Oiba, and Tombase, Masimadi, a quick Katin Panda Sutokani, Sabida Sutokani, put Parmata Pangani, Adumapamsida, Driving Boys Hostel Sabasi, Sungayaro, and a quick Mapamsida. Driving boys hostel Habase, Masida di Saba, Sukayaro, Sumangamoy, Mike Songi Paza, Punamagna, Yaning de Heba, Kolaudu, Quidamating Bibu.
A one-day disaster management training program for Imphal West District was held at Imphal Municipal Council Conference Hall today. The training program was funded by Relief and Disaster Management Department, Government of Manipur, and organized by Relief and Disaster Management PWD. The program was attended by councillors, Imphal West and community leaders, among others. Manipur Students Federation MSF celebrated its 17th Foundation Day today at Konjeng Hazari Lekai Community Hall. Earlier, the flag of MSF was hoisted at its office at Kaisampa Toplerak. Speaking on the occasion, MSF President Sirajuddin said MSF along with the people will continue its Education for All campaign that kicked off in 2006. The President also appealed to all to give cooperation and suggestions in any endeavor of the Federation. Secretary of North Point Higher Secondary School, Khabam Lamkai, in a press release informed that the statement made by JSCC that the school took 100% fee for the month of July and August during ILPS education is totally false. The press release said the honorarium for teaching and non-teaching staff were given full and on time. Number of vehicles, including two-wheelers in Manipur till March this year has reached 276,268. However, expansion of roads to accommodate the increasing volume of vehicular traffic and proper parking facilities are still a far cry. Our journalist Ketramium Premchand brings you an exclusive report.
Growing population vis-a-vis increasing number of two- and four-wheelers is causing a major traffic bottleneck in Imphal, capital city of the tiny state of Manipur, which is likely to become a hub of economic activities of Southeast Asia and India.
Gari owner and the drivers in the Kudong Chadaba, Sukimatic Ladies in Manipur Sakana, Tumatamda, Ming Changbin and Nava Kanganjari.
According to data received from Directorate of Transport, 276,268 vehicles have registered with the department till March 2015, out of which Imphal West District recorded the highest number of vehicles with 204,286, while Imphal East District recorded 19,097 vehicles till March this year. The data also showed 1,94,449 vehicles registered with the department in 2010. The sudden surge in the number of vehicles has congested the Imphal city, where people face a great deal of inconveniences due to lack of proper parking space and small portions of roads. Moreover, people have the habit of parking their vehicles at any space available on the roadsides, causing more inconveniences.
Sarkargi side amadi transport department gi side tagi sangbidaba taragadi India gi manungda leriba to state singda kilometer am khak chappa matamda pung amani changbagi phibam asi nongtra nongmodi khoi sungsoi choidana Manipur da su khoi thongning thokloi haningai leite.
People face undue problem due to parking of vehicles on roadsides, especially at Wahingbam Lekai, Pauna Bazar, Thangal Bazar and Babupara. It is a foreseeable issue that will plague Imphal city if prompt and timely measures are not taken to tackle the situation.
The number of vehicles in the state have been increasing day by day, but the people have faced many problems due to the lack of proper parking facilities and failure of road expansion in the city. People have no choice other than parking their vehicles on the roadside, but it causes obstruction to the traveler. Now people have asked the government to look after the issue before it becomes worse. But the big question here is how long the government will take to make a proper traffic policy or a proper traffic system for the sake of people. With camera person Nishi, this is Ketamim Premchan, Impact News, Imphal.
One-day Sericulture Krishi Mela was organized by Department of Sericulture today at Multipurpose Hall, Manipur Sericulture Project Management Complex, Sangaipat. Chief Secretary Oinam Nabakishore, Principal Secretary Sericulture L. Lakher and Member Secretary of Central Silk Board, Bangalore, Dr. H. Nagesh Prabhu, IFS and Imphal DC M. Joy Singh were present at the opening of the exhibition. 30 stores showcased various silk products. In his speech, Nabakishore Singh said the Sericulture project covered 500 farmers and 200 hectares of land in 2014 and 15. He said efforts will be made to cover 1,000 farmers and more areas under the project. He appealed to the Central Silk Board to pay more attention to branding and marketing of the products. He also released a booklet, Sericulture Farmer's Guide, at the event.
Production is the farmers in production Agriculture Department staff research by Bolton silky cocoon adu silky contribution highway work on mineral scientists in the work on mineral farmers work on put my arms on Lincoln Manana.
Social Service Cum Awareness Program was conducted at Jiribam in connection with Swachh Bharat today by Jiri Municipal Council. Councillors, staff, ward members and ward development committee members took part in the program. Speaking on the occasion, EETH Hari Kumar said he appealed to keep the area neat and clean with the arrival of Durga Puja. A house-to-house cleaning campaign also began today. Coordinating Committee Corcom has called for an 18-hour general strike in Manipur in protest against the merger agreement signed on October 15, 1949. The general strike has been called from the midnight of October 14 till 6 p.m. of October 15. Corcom has appealed to people to remain at home during the general strike. Essential services, news persons and religious activities will be relaxed during the strike. The fifth joint exercise between India and China, Hand in Hand 2015, commenced at Kunming Military Academy, Yunnan Province, China on Monday. The 12-day exercise will lay emphasis on joint handling of counter-terrorism and humanitarian assistance and disaster relief. PRO Defense in a press release said the opening ceremony commenced with an impressive parade by both contingents. The combined parade was commanded by Lieutenant Colonel Ruchir Pant of Indian Army. A weapon and equipment display was also held. The spectacular display of yoga training, energetic tribal dances of Nagaland and unarmed combat skills enthralled the audience. The Chinese contingent displayed combat shooting and obstacle negotiation skills within the military academy premises. India's ambassador to China, Ashok Kant, emphasized the need to tackle terrorism jointly and expand defense cooperation at all levels. A team of Imphal West Police Commando arrested an overground member of Corcom Coordinating Committee during a search operation at Khurai Lamlong Sajor Thoidingzam Laikai on the 10th of this month. He is identified as Anthem Dakeshore of Khurai Sajor Thoidingzam Laikai. In a press release, PRO Police Department said the arrested person had collected Rs 1,60,000 from Imphal More Transporters Association and handed over to Corcom. A one-day awareness on electricity was jointly organized yesterday by Manipur Power Distribution Limited and Joint Electricity Regulation Committee Manipur and Mizoram at Election Counting Hall, Thoubal DC Complex. The 91st birth anniversary of Rajkumar Chandrajit Sana, popularly known as RKCS, was observed today at RKCS Museum of Art and Crafts, Kaisamthong. Speaking on the occasion, former Director of Art and Culture Dr. K. Sobita described RKCS as one of the eminent artists of Manipur, and his museum has become one of the tourist attractions. She said his paintings depict the historical events of the state. Floral tributes were offered to the portrait of the artist. Kaisamthong MLA Laisom Ibomcha was among those who attended the observance. Indo-Burma Sugnu Road bus owner in a press release requested authorities concerned to take necessary steps as vehicles plying without permit on Indo-Burma Sugnu Road are causing problems to vehicles with valid permit. Indo-Burma Sugnu road bus owners said they will take out agitation if the problem is not solved at the earliest. Now in sports, Manipur emerged champions of the 21st Northeast Sport Climbing Competition held in Agartala, Tripura from 6th to the 8th of this month. K. Surjit, Sanjam Devala Devi, Okram Vikas, Maibam Chinkhainganba, Thaja Seram and Sunila Ningombam won 10 gold, 3 silver and 3 bronze medals in lead, speed and bouldering events. 11 boys and 5 girls took part in the championship. A. Manitomba was the manager while P. Kellen was the coach of the Manipur team. MMTA felicitated the players today. MMTA President Dr. L. Surjit said some players of Manipur will be able to take part in the 2020 Japan Olympics.
Manipur Kangla Rock Wall, outdated Northeast national level rock wall Manipur Asian climber, Asian champions power, Ani Putokre. Lakadoriba Chahi Anium Jida, Kumlampak Sports Complex, the Nikande, MMI Labdan, the Nikande, international standard of sports climbing wall, Yam Tuna, Sabiri Arga Madugi, Asset Mayam, Tambiragadi, 2020, the Soy and Maki, Olympian Mari the guitar, and the Son Putopanga within a Sato.
Gopal Devakankut Yai School have reached the final of the 11th Players Trophy Lake Kam Knockout Open Kang Tournament. Gopal Devakankut Yai School beat Yai School A Kankut 1912 in the semi-final to enter final today. The tournament is organized by Yai School Kankut at Shri Sri Gopal Dev Mandap Yai School Chinga Khamlekai from the 20th of last month. Aku Thangwaiban Kankut will meet Gopal Devakankut Yai School in the final. 12 boys and 12 girls have been selected to represent Manipur in the 19th Junior Boys and Girls Sepak Takraw Championship to be held in Bhubaneswar in Odisha from December 3rd to 6th. The selected players are to report to YAWA Club Singzamai Laisangthem Laikai on October 16. Indian girls have bagged 12 gold medals in different categories in the 2015 Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship ongoing in Pune. Manipuri player Kumukcham Sanjita Chanu in 48 kg junior women's category won silver in snatched by lifting 80 kg while she lifted 101 kg in clean and jerk to win a gold medal lifting a total weight of 181 kg. In the same category, Saikom Mirabai Chanu lifted 81 kg in snatch to win gold and in clean and jerk she lifted 100 kg to win a silver lifting a total weight of 181 kg to win silver. In 44 kg youth girls, Manipuri player T. Priyadarshini lifted 53 kg in snatch while in clean and jerk she lifted 75 kg to lift a total weight of 128 kg to win 3 gold medals. That's all for the time being, but before we end the session of the bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. UCM urges state government to persuade the centre to clarify the news of NSCNIM opening more camps and recruiting cadres in Manipur. Women vendors asked Chief Minister to name market at Chingmairong to reflect the coexistence of various communities in Manipur. And are roads in Imphal ready to take the load of over 2 lakh vehicles?